Be the Math presents solving one-step equations with addition and subtraction. One-step equations are rather simple to solve once you understand the operation used in the problem. Once you know the operation, you just undo it. In the example, x plus 2 equals 5, imagine it as a seesaw. It has to stay balanced. I like to draw a barrier with my equal sign, so I balance on both sides, bringing in the negative 2. So we end up with x equals 3. Solving one-step equations can be illustrated using a deck of cards. The red represents negative and the black positive values. These two cards are called a zero pair. When added together, they equal 0. Zero pairs allow us to manipulate equations without changing the value. They're simply a positive and a negative value of the same number. This problem says some number plus 6 must equal negative 10. To make things easier, we use an X instead of the question mark when writing problems. A letter is just a placeholder for the unknown number. In the problem, x plus 6 equals negative 10. Remember, you want to balance and use zero pairs. Putting in our barrier at our equal sign, we bring in a negative 6 on both sides. This gives us a zero pair with 6 and negative 6 on the left side, leaving us with x equal to negative 16. Remember, when adding integers, if you have the same sign, you add the numbers and keep the sign. In the problem, n minus 2 is 7. The minus 2 is the same as adding a negative 2. Setting our barrier, we need to bring in a positive 2 on both sides. This allows us, using a zero pair, to get rid of the 2 and negative 2 on the left, leaving n equal to 9. In the problem, r minus 3 equals negative 5. Setting our barrier, we bring in a positive 3 on both sides. R3 and negative 3 on the left is a zero pair, and it leaves us with r equals negative 2. Remember, adding integers with different signs, subtract the numbers, keep the sign of the larger absolute value. In these examples without cards, x minus 3 is 12, you simply bring in a positive 3 on both sides. That leaves you with x equals 15. In the example, negative 1 plus x equals 31, you just simply bring in a positive 1 on both sides, leaving you with x equals 32. It doesn't actually matter which side your variable is on. In the example 87 equals n plus 21, you simply subtract or bring in a negative 21 on both sides, leaving you with 66 equal to n. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel And don't forget to email me at bethemath@gmail.com for any video requests you may have.